In this video, I'm going to show you how you can massively increase your affiliate sales by offering quality bonuses to your products, and I'm going to walk you through how to build your bonus page from scratch. Hey guys, my name is Chad and welcome back to Purely Remote, the channel that is all about bringing you all the tips, tools and resources for you to find success online. And on this channel, we're constantly posting new content and creating new videos that are all about helping you start and grow a successful online business. So if that's something that you're interested in, you might want to consider subscribing. So this video is all about bonuses and how they can increase your affiliate sales that you're getting for your business every single month. So if you've been looking for a way that could possibly 10x the amount of sales that you're getting into your business every single month, then bonuses is definitely the avenue that you want to look in. And throughout this video, I'm going to walk you through why bonuses are important, where you can find different bonuses, how they help you, how they help your customers, and I'm going to also walk you through step by step and click by click on how you can build a bonus page of your own. Okay, so the first thing that I want to touch on is why are bonuses so important? Why are they such a big deal? Well, the first thing is that you need to remember that as an affiliate, in a perfect world, it would be great if you're the only person promoting the product that you're promoting, but there's a good chance that there are, hundreds or even thousands of other affiliates promoting that exact same product. So your bonuses are going to help you to stand out from all the other affiliates that are promoting the exact same product. Then you also want to put yourself in your customer's shoes. So if you as a customer were looking to purchase a particular product or program, would you not go for, the offer that has the most value for you? So the more value you add through the bonuses that you offer, the more likely you're going to get more customers purchasing your offer as opposed to everyone else's offer. Now, what types of bonuses could you possibly offer? Well, this all depends on the industry or the niche that you're in or the affiliate products that you promote. So for example, Purely Remote specifically promotes within the wealth niche. We show people how to make money online through starting an online business. So in that case, we know for a fact that in order to run any kind of successful business, you need people, or otherwise known as traffic. So the bonuses that we offer and you could offer to your customers if you're within the same niche as well are, something that would help them get more traffic or more people to their business. You could offer them products that help them make more money or, make money even quicker. If you're promoting things like softwares, a lot of times people get stuck when it comes to the setup. So if you have any type of, quick start guide that could help them get the ball rolling for their business a lot quicker, a quick start guide is also usually a really good idea to include as a bonus. And then also a bonus that works really, really well are exclusive offers. And usually these are service-based bonuses. So for example, you would have, coaching or mentorship or anything that you could actually help your customers with, where you're actually putting additional time into helping them. Those are massive value to your customers and they really help actually sell and promote your product and get your customers to buy from you, because if you're willing to help your customers, they're going to see that, right? And so naturally they are going to be more drawn to actually purchase from you, because it's not just like they're going to buy something from you and then you're going to leave them out in the cold. But again, the different types of bonuses that you offer all depend on the products that you promote and the niche that you're in. So you definitely want to do some brainstorming into what is going to be really good value that you can offer your customer along with your product as a free bonus. So I just want to give you a quick example of the bonuses that we offer for one of the programs that we promote as affiliates. So the program is called Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 and it's a high ticket affiliate marketing program. So it teaches you how to actually, sell high ticket products and high ticket programs. So whenever anybody joins up to the program itself, we have a bonus pack in place that they receive when they join through us. So at the top it says join Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 with us and get these exclusive bonuses free. The bonus number one is the coaching program, an 8-week coaching program where we work one-on-one with all of our students. The second bonus is a TikTok video training that shows you how you can make your first $1,000 with absolutely no experience. Bonus number 3 is also on TikTok, how you use lives as micro webinars to make more money and to get more sales. Bonus number 4 is a Facebook training. So learn how complete beginners are closing high ticket sales using Facebook. The next bonus is focused on YouTube and helps you to actually build a successful YouTube channel. And bonus number 6 is a pack of hundreds of pre-written emails that our students can use for their email marketing within their businesses, and then also our online support as well. So if you've noticed, everything that we have done or that we have included as a bonus with this particular program or with this offer, it all aligns with the actual program. High ticket affiliate marketing, you're going to need email marketing, you're going to possibly start creating content on YouTube. There's a massive chance you're going to be creating content on TikTok as well. So all of the bonuses that we offer for that program are in alignment with the actual program. And that's something you want to do when putting your bonuses together as well. But I will leave a link to this bonus page down in the description if you'd like to check it out. Now, the next thing that I want to cover is where you can find these different types of bonuses. Well, I've mentioned that you could do a service-based bonus, and obviously that comes from you. That's the time you putting into your customers to help them. Then you can also offer PLR products as your bonuses, and PLR stands for private label rights. And basically PLR products are products that you have the licenses or the rights or the permission to actually distribute as bonuses to your customers. So for example, if you go to a site like idplr.com, this is where you can get these PLR products. And just to give you an idea, if we go over to the products and take a look at the videos with private label rights, all of these different video products are things that you will actually have the permission to, share or offer to your customers as a bonus with your affiliate offer. Also, if we go a little bit further down, IDPLR does have different products within different niches. So there's business and money making, web and development, software, weight loss, fitness training. There really is a wide range of products. So definitely check IDPLR out because they do have a massive collection of PLR products that you can offer to your customers. Now, all of the different tools and websites that I'm going to be speaking about in this video, I will link it down in the description under the section called tools to build your awesome bonus offer. The next type of bonuses that you can use are, any type of content that you've created on your own, whether it's a YouTube video or a video training, or if you've written certain articles, that type of thing. You can absolutely use your own content as bonuses as well. Next up is licensed products. Now, different softwares and products out there allow you to actually purchase reseller licenses where you can, pay for your license and you get a certain amount that you can distribute to your customers or your audience as well. If you promote higher ticket items within your business, then this is something you want to look at because obviously you are paying for these reseller licenses and sometimes they can get pretty pricey. So it would only make sense to promote those or to offer those as a bonus with a higher ticket product. And finally, if you don't have your own content that you've created already, you can 100% use video content, whether it's a YouTube video or any other type of video training or content from somebody else as your bonus. Remember, your bonuses are simply there to add value and to help your audience as much as possible. Okay, so now let's jump into how you can create your own bonus page from scratch. And the first thing that you want to do, if you don't already have one, is you want to find a product. Now I'm just going to jump onto ClickBank real quick. I'm not going to explain too much about what ClickBank is because we have created other videos that go into more detail about it, but I'm going to go with this product right over here. So it's called the Fast Tracks, top converting high ticket on ClickBank. So let's just say for this example, this is the product that I'm going to promote. There's a couple of things that you want to do. The first thing is that you want to get your affiliate link. So click on the promote button, create your hop link, and then the link at the bottom, that is your affiliate link. So you're going to copy that link and paste it into a document because you will need it later. Once that's done, there's two other pages that you want to open. The first one is to open the affiliate page. So click on affiliate page. And the second page that you want to open is the actual product page. Now, the reason that we're opening these two pages is because we are going to use the copy or the wording that is on the pages, and we are also going to look for different images from the actual sales page that we can include in our bonus page as well. Remember that we want to make it as easy as possible for ourselves when creating our bonus page. So if these different images and the copy on the pages are already there, might as well use them. So once you have your product and your bonuses together that you'll be offering, it's time to create your bonus page. Now I will be walking you through exactly how to create your bonus page from scratch. But if you want to save yourself even more time and save yourself the hassle of creating it from the ground up, then I will leave a link to the exact page that I'll be creating today down in the description so that you can pick up the template and you can use it in your business for your bonus page and your offers. Now we use a software called BuilderAll for pretty much every part of our online business, and that's what I'm going to use to basically build our bonus page today. So once you sign up with BuilderAll and you get to your dashboard, you are going to go to the Cheetah website builder and click on enter. Then once all your web pages open up, you're going to click on create new site, professional templates, and we are going to select blank because we want to just create something from a blank canvas. Hit save. Perfect. And then from here, you're going to click on edit page. Now the first thing I want to do when creating our bonus page is to add a panel. So click on add, select panels and select blank panel. Think of it like a drawing board, and that's where you're going to place all your content on. So if you click on the panel and then click on this little dot, you can scroll down and make that larger. We're going to need quite a lot of space when creating all of the content that goes onto our bonus page. Okay, then I'm going to just go ahead and delete this text. Then we're going to start building our bonus page from top to bottom. So the first thing that I want to do is add in a box at the very top. Select add, click on elements, a box, and bring that onto our page. Then if you click the little arrow on the right hand side and then you right click on the box, you can change the color. So I'm going to make this red, and then I'm going to insert a text into the red box at the top. So select text, So the text that I added just says, attention, this special bonus comes down soon. Click here to get 1K a day fast track. And then you need an image for your bonus page. Now I've already created an image, and you can create images on places like Canva. I will get into that in a little while. But to add an image, you're going to click on the little arrow, select add, elements, and you're going to look for image. Select horizontal image and drag and drop that in. Now to change the image, you're going to right click, select general settings and change image. Then you can resize and place it how you need it. And then it's time to start getting into the information of the actual product. So I'm going to go ahead and add in another box and then right click on it, change the background settings. And then I'm just going to use one of the standard BuilderAll background images. And that's the image I'm going to go for. I've just selected one from the standard ones that BuilderAll has to offer, and I just stretch it across the entire page. Then next up, we're going to include an image of the product that we're promoting. And that is why we opened up the affiliate page and also the sales page. So I've actually just got a picture that I found on the sales page. And I'll just insert it the exact same way I included the picture at the very top. Then we're going to include a heading. So we're going to click on the arrow, click on text, and select title H2. And this headline over here is literally just something that I copy and pasted from one of the pages that we opened up earlier. And if we go to the sales page, it is the exact same verbiage that I just copy and pasted onto my bonus page. Then after that, we're just going to add in a couple more elements. So I've added in some more text that says important, this bonus page expires in, and I'm going to insert a timer right over here. So if I click on the arrow, add elements, and we're going to look for timers. And I'll select the one with the round circles right over here. Perfect. So now we want to create somewhere where our customers can actually take action. So we're going to include a button underneath the timer right over there. And all of the elements you add exactly the same way. So click on the arrow, select add elements, and we're going to look for a button. So I'm just going to use this one right over here. So when you include a button and you'd like to change the text or the headline of the button, open your menu, right click on the button, scroll down to headline, and you can type in whatever you need to. For this example, for this page, I've just typed click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Once you've done that, you also want to include a link for your button so that every time someone clicks on this button, they'll be taken through to your affiliate page. And to do that, click on the button to select it, click on the icon that says set link, and then underneath web, just paste your ClickBank affiliate link right over there, scroll down, and click select, and that'll save it. Then you also want to do the same thing for the text that we put at the very top of the page as well. So double click on that text, select all of it, click the link icon, and then paste your ClickBank affiliate link right over here, scroll down and hit select. Next, it's time to tell our customers a little bit more about the product. So I've just inserted a headline that says, so what is 1K a day fast track all about? Then I'm going to insert an image as well, another thing that we got from the sales page earlier. And then I'm going to look for a little write-up or description on what the product is about. So I'm going to head back into the sales page, a product that really works, and perfect. So here's a little description of it. I'm going to copy all of that, head back into our bonus page, add a text. The one at the bottom is how you can add a paragraph and paste it in. Then underneath all of this, I'm just going to include another button. So I'm going to head over to the top button that we created, click on it and click on clone element. Since we already created the button, it makes things a little bit easier. We don't have to make a whole new one. So I'm just going to drag it to the bottom just like that. So now that we've given our customers a little more information about the actual product, it's time to start telling them about the bonuses that we'll be offering. So what we'll do is add in another box similar to the one that we just created at the very top of the page. And then I'm going to include some text in this box as well. And all I said was get 1K a day fast track plus all of these bonuses below. Underneath that, we're going to tell them about our first bonus. So bonus number one, valued at $297. It is a video training and ebooks. And then underneath that, we're going to put an image that we've created about that particular bonus. Now remember, all your images you can literally create on Canva. So you can go onto Canva and create these images for free. A quick tip is that you want to create your bonus images in a size of 800 by 800 pixels and then save them, upload them to BuilderAll and import them onto your page. So just to save some time, I have already created this image previously. And then you're going to repeat this process for the amount of bonuses that you're offering with this product. So I've just skipped past all of that just to save time with this video. But like you can see, I've actually included all of the bonuses for this particular product. So you have bonus number 2, which is an additional course. Bonus number 3, which is a video training. Bonus number 4, which is also a video training. And then underneath all of those, I've just duplicated the button, again, the same thing that we did higher up on the page, and placed that underneath our bonuses. And the reason we're putting so many buttons in is because we want to create as many opportunities as possible for our customers to actually click on those buttons and buy the program. And just another quick tip about including images on your page. Obviously, images could take up a lot of space, which could cause your page to take a lot longer to load. And you don't want that to happen, because the longer your page takes to load, the more potential customers you are going to lose. So once you've created your images on Canva, you want to import them onto a site called TinyPNG right over here. So all you do is drag and drop your images over here, and this site will actually, it's completely free to use. It'll compress your images for you. So when you use those compressed images on your page, your actual page is going to load a lot quicker because they're a lot smaller. So now that we've told our customers a little bit more about the product, we've told them the bonuses that they'll be getting as well, it's time to just add in some additional information of how they'll actually receive their bonuses when they get it. So what we're going to do is add in another box underneath this button right over here. And then we're going to insert some things that we've previously inserted on the page as well. Specifically this text that says important this page expires in, and we're going to insert a timer as well. And this just creates a little bit of urgency so that, it kind of nudges people to actually take action and purchase our product. Perfect. And now we're just going to give a little more information on how they're actually going to receive their bonuses once they purchase through our affiliate link. So I'm going to add in some text over here. And then the information that I've included over here is basically all it says is must use our affiliate link to be eligible for these bonuses. And then it also tells our customers how they will receive the bonuses once they actually purchase the product. At the very bottom, it also says this bonus package may be removed at any time. And then underneath that, I'm just going to insert some images that give a visual representation on how to actually get your bonuses. And then the last button that we're going to add is going to go right between all of those. So I'm going to duplicate the button from high up in the page and then just place it right over here. So basically the two images that I just inserted that tells you how you can actually access your bonus is specifically referring to Warrior Plus and JVZoo, which are affiliate marketplaces. So these two images show you where to click to actually download the bonuses once you've purchased the product. Once you've completed actually building the page, I am going to speak a little bit more about different ways that you can deliver your bonuses to your customers. But the final thing that we want to add in is just a little thank you at the very bottom of the page. So I'm going to insert another box right over here. Then I'm going to include an image of us as well, just a little thank you note, and finally some social media icons. And to get the social media icons, click on the menu, add elements, and scroll down to where it says social bars, and then drag and drop that into your page. And after that, we have officially created an entire bonus page. So it tells a little bit about the product, the bonuses that we offer, the value of those bonuses, and then also how your customers are going to receive those bonuses with a little thank you note at the end. Once that is all done, you're going to click save, and you can publish or have your site or your page go live. Now, as I showed you earlier, some affiliate marketplaces actually allow you to upload your bonuses to their website so that when your customers purchase the product that you're promoting, they'll automatically, be told that they have bonuses that they can access. But some other programs and some other marketplaces don't offer that same feature. So what you can do in that case is put all your bonuses together into a folder on your computer and then upload that either to Google Drive or to a file sharing platform like Mediafire, and then put that link into a document, and that's the document that you'll email to all of your customers whenever they purchase to tell them, hey, thank you for purchasing. This is where you can get your bonuses from. So when they click on that link, they'll have access to all of the bonuses that you're offering them. So putting a bonus page together is pretty simple, but it also can be really time consuming. So what we've done is put together a bonus page template that you can pick up and use for your own business. Just change it up and customize it as well. And we'll leave a link to that down in the description. But basically it looks something like this. So it's a very similar, actually the exact same layout. It says my insane bonus bundle. All the images are over here, and you can literally customize and insert the images and the copy from your own product and also include your own bonuses. So yeah, we just thought we put that together because if you do want to create a bonus page but you do want to save the time and the hassle of doing it all yourself, you can pick it up just by clicking the link down in the description. So if you do decide to pick up the pre-made bonus page that we've actually created for you, you will also receive a bonus from us. So what that bonus is, if you remember earlier, I was speaking about PLR products and how helpful they are to actually include as bonuses. Well, if you do pick up the bonus page template, you'll actually get access and you'll be able to download all of our current PLR products that we use as bonuses as well. So you can then use them when creating your own bonus offers. And there's also a video tutorial on how to actually customize and change the bonus page and all the changes you'll need to make to that template to fit and suit your own affiliate business. So if you do want to check that out, just go ahead and click the link that is down in the description. Well, I hope you found this video valuable, helpful, useful, and informative, and you actually realize how important creating a bonus page is for your affiliate marketing business. If you did find this video useful, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet already done so, you might want to consider subscribing to Purely Remote, because we are always going to be creating more and more content that is helping you to find success online. If you have any questions about this video, just drop it in the comments and we can engage with you from there. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Until next time.